What's up, everyone? I am back. Welcome to Financier Pro YouTube channel, where we talk about credit, personal finance, how to make some money, side hustle, everything like that. And I'll specifically break down how to make money with apps and different areas like that. So, welcome back. I've been gone for 2 or 3 weeks from making a video on this YouTube channel because I've been working on music. I have a music channel as well that I will put the link to in the video description. I have almost 150 videos on that, so I've been working on that. But today we're going to talk about private label rights, which I own a few million private label rights. You can use private label rights on your blog. You can publish books. It could be anything of the above, or whatever you want to do with them, as long as you have the consent or contract to do that. You know, the rights to that, to the private labels. Let's see. I have how to make money with PLR content, you guys. And if you have any ideas on this, please comment below as well. So first, you have to build a following. You can build a following with PLR rights, email, of course. You can courses or video courses. You can have private label rights to them as well. Let's see. Marketing, affiliate marketing is a great way for that. Use PLRs in your newsletters, blog or website. Create home study courses. You can sell eBooks that are private label rights, but I will tell you this: please change the cover, put some more information in there, not just the information that comes with it. Create something new to add value to that. Let's see. Create your own products. You can create your own products with that. Use content to create PDF files. Use the content to create audio files. You can create physical products that you could sell things on Amazon as well. Develop a membership site with PLR products. You can build websites. Some PLR products have themes. They have the plugins, everything that includes. You just got to know how to work those things and sell them to the best of your ability. They have websites you can sell, like WordPress and other avenues, to sell themes and plugins as well. That's a great way to use the private label rights. Let's see, is there anything else I can add to this? So I have millions of private label rights that I own. I'm still going through them. It's a lot to do. I've been working on this music thing, my music channel. One day that's going to be really huge. When it comes to music, it's better to make it yourself. I'm into electronic music, techno, cyberpunk, things like that. I love ambient music, help you sleep, things like. And this is where I'm at with this. You know, it helps me expand my mind, you know, and just chill. The music does. I love creating things, and I love looking into researching and just providing that feedback to you guys on YouTube. Thank you for subscribing. You guys comment below. Let me know what you think. It's almost a new year, man. I'm just thinking about that. It's almost a new year. Happy New Year. I'm saying that early. Peace and love. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe if you come across this channel. Financier Pro. See you next time.